welcome to your first lesson on organic chemistry. It is a paper 2 topic that we have not studied before and will be used for your home learning. You can either go through the PowerPoint by yourself or listen to my narration. There's also some GCSE pod videos for you to watch as well. To begin, we're going to look at crude oil, and I'd like you just to stop and think just for a few minutes what would happen if we were to run out of oil. As you can see, our title for today's lesson is Alkanes. We will be looking at the process as how crude oil is created and what the main components of alkanes and their structure are. If you have your revision guides with you, if you've got the trilogy, it's page 150, and for separates, it's page 75 in your chemistry book. These will help you along in the lesson today. First off, we need to know where crude oil comes from. Watch the YouTube video and make notes as to how crude oil is made. Crude oil is a mixture of hydrocarbons. This means it contains hydrogen and carbon atoms only. This in itself is a very common GCSE exam question and it's worth up to 2 marks. If you do not state that there are only hydrogen and carbon atoms, you can only have 1 mark. Your first task for today's lesson is to look at those 6 statements and put them in the correct order to describe how crude oil is formed. Once you have done this, have a go at task 2 to summarise the steps that you've just ordered into either 3 pictures or into 3 key words. Your third task is to have a go at the worksheet that should be assigned to you. The table on this slide helps you complete the task as well as the information from the video and revision guide. Alkanes have a general formula. This is what is in red on this slide. As long as we know how many carbons we have, we can work out the formula of any alkane. For example, if we know we have 100 carbons, the formula for that alkane will be C100H202. Your final task for today is to have a go at the exam questions below. In brackets you will find a number and this states how many marks you would get for each question.